As an overview of this talk, first I'm going to talk about life cycle approaches to autonomous vehicle safety. That's going to involve something different than the historical approach of assuming a perfectly safe production release. And I'll explain what that means, how we got there, and why that changes for autonomous vehicles. We're going to need to move to a life cycle adaptation model in which we use operational metrics as a basis for continuous improvement if we want to get acceptable safety. Part of this is going to be use safety performance indicators, SPIs. Those are metrics that measure whether or not the safety case is still valid. It goes beyond vehicle is acting unsafely, and it goes beyond dynamic risk management. It goes beyond runtime safety monitors and gets to the place where the ANSI UL 4600 safety standard goes, which is using SPIs to monitor the soundness of the safety case over the vehicle lifecycle.